right, today we're going to see if we can move this balloon very slowly with the fan. Oh, it just went right off. It was kind of dancing around there. Levi's put a pool noodle on the fan today. We've got our balloon. Levi, are you going to give it a spin with your pool noodle also? He's got his pool noodle. Oh, he's going to give it a little tap there. I wondered if you wanted to tap the fan with your pool noodle while we're at it here. The gorgeous day here. Whew. There we go. Why don't you give the fan a tiny tap? Oh, you almost got it back over here, didn't you? Good job. Ah, there it is. Okay, good. Leave it be, Levi. Oh, that's perfect. That was perfect positioning, sweet boy. Let me see if I can get a better angle of it. There it goes. He did it. He did it. Balloons and ceiling fans and pool noodles that Levi calls sticks is what makes him happy. Okay, hope you're having a great day too. Bye.